Hey guys, we're at 601 in Dunedin. It's a 4-unit concrete block building. We purchased it a little while ago. We're getting ready to get out of phase 1 into phase 2. We got a little bit left. I'm gonna show you the update on what's left on phase 1. We're gonna get to phase 2 and then phase 3 quickly. God willing, this whole project is gonna take 6 to 8 weeks. So this is awesome to finish a whole 4-plex in 6 to 8 weeks with a full gut reno. We got the sewer line ready. Here's the first unit. Not much has been done here. As you can see, it's basically the same as it's been. We've been focusing on the other units, trying to get them to this position where the electrical rough is done, the plumbing rough is done, the AC rough is done. We're ready to rock and roll. In about 3 weeks, the rest should all be at this position. From there, it's insulation and drywall. I'm ready to rock and roll. We're gonna be done pretty quick. They cut out the floor, they ran the pipe, started framing up the walls. So now we're gonna get into the 3rd unit. It's looking great. It's cut out. Getting ready for the sewer, framing is up. The sistering is already added to the top. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna raise the drywall so I can expose some of the trusses. Now you'd say, why would you do that? The reasoning is that since this is a small place, I wanna give people height. If you can't give people size, give them height. Or the drywall is gonna go from here to here, and then up there, all this wood is gonna be exposed. Now from here, we're actually gonna add some hurricane trusses to reduce the insurance on this side, and we're actually gonna try to put in wraps if possible. Moving along, they already put the top plate up here and down here for the drywall. We're gonna be moving. By next week, sewer should be done, cement should be done. After that, the following week, it's gonna be insulation and drywall. From there, we're gonna be running. So in 3 weeks, we'll be in the finishing phases of this. Here we are on the 4th unit. Some of it was eaten up by termites. So you see they cut it and sistered it. I actually told them to remove this wood, this 2x4, all the way across, to put a brand new 2x6 and then nail it together. Because I don't want it to be sistered like this. I'd rather just have one straight piece. Add another straight piece here, another one here, straight across. All these would be brand new. As always, invest in the front end, save in the back end, and make a lot of money. Like, follow, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.